To sell covered calls on Merrill Edge, follow these steps. Log in. Access your Merrill Edge account via their website or mobile app. Go to Trade. Navigate to the Trade tab and select Options. Select the stock. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you own and wish to write covered calls against. Ensure you hold the required number of shares in your account. Choose option type. Select Sell to write a covered call. Choose Covered Call from the Options tab drop-down menu. Set the call parameters. Enter the strike price and expiration date for the call option. The strike price is the price at which the buyer can purchase your stock, and the expiration date is when the option contract ends. Review Premium. Review the premium you will receive for selling the call option. This is the income you earned from the trade. Place order. Confirm the order details, including the number of contracts, strike price, and expiration date. Click Submit or Place Order to execute the trade. Monitor. Regularly check the status of your covered call position and be prepared to take action if the stock approaches or exceeds the strike price.